Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite for the month of October. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for being here again. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Hierophant in reverse, Two of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. My God, somebody's angry here. Two of Swords. Okay, so there are some decisions that have to be made. King of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles. Nine of Swords in reverse, Pisces, bottom of my deck, which is a very, very good card. It basically means somebody is making some kind of a decision. Maybe this is regarding some kind of a commitment. But there is a Queen of Swords here in the reverse and an Empress here in the reverse and a choice right center, smack center of my spread. Alright, so what I'm going to do, Pisces, I'm going to first start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Pisces and their person. Okay. It seems like it could be a third party situation going on here, Pisces, and there's some choices or decisions to be made. I have a King of Wands in the upright here and an Empress and a Queen of Swords in reverse. Okay. And not necessarily. Let's see. All right. Good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, why do you feel it necessary to label me? I'm far more than any label could ever describe, and so is our connection. Like, don't talk about who you are to me. Am I your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife? I mean, just that's what one person is telling the other. Don't label this. We are much more than any label can describe our connection. You go to bed with someone else and your soul comes to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else, and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be making love to me. You say that I'm your divine true love and I'm always on your mind. I don't understand how you could have then ghosted, ignored, or even blocked me so much over the years. There are times when you've denied my existence so much that I felt the pain might only end if I no longer existed. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's happened to me. Okay, so this looks like a lover's tiff to me, and somebody wants to make up. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. My ex and I are just friends. Don't let the past dictate the future. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. All right, Pisces, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. As always, we're going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And vision. Somebody, I think, needs to see, or maybe how does this connection look like in the future? It'll resolve a lot of, like somebody said, don't let the past dictate your future, right? So I think it's time to look ahead instead of looking at what didn't work out. Okay, so Spirit, what's this Hierophant in reverse? Hierophant in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, somebody saying, listen, let's not label this connection. Let's just find peace and harmony and go to a place of peace. Somebody wants to not go back and forth or make some decision, or maybe somebody wants, I don't know. There is a lot of stress about maybe somebody being a little egoistic, and they don't want this person to juggle. Even though there's so much passion here, there is stress around this connection. Now, Queen of Swords, why are you in reverse? Why are you angry, you suspicious, bitter? Because the Queen of Swords says my person probably doesn't love me, or they're just emotionally manipulating me. They're not emotionally open to me. They don't express their love to me. So I feel that, I might as well put this connection to an end. It's time for me to end this connection totally. One more. Yeah, I think there is suspicion of this King of Cups being in third parties. This Queen of Swords says, I don't want to fight for a connection. I'd rather drop it than deal with somebody who's got so much of ego and pride, and they always hide their emotions and make me feel upset, and I'm always suspecting that they're with somebody else maybe. It seems that they don't love me, and this is a false soul connect. I don't feel it's even worth pursuing anymore. Why? Because if there's fear here. There's fear that that person is maybe with somebody else. That person is not deciding or pulled into different directions. There is fear, where this Queen of Swords is feeling that that person is, maybe because they're not emotionally open, there's no discussion about it, I don't know. So Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Two of Swords in reverse. Well, I think, who's the spirits? Who's this? Who's making these decisions? The Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups basically, see, the Queen of Cups is, there's a lot of love in this situation. That, let me first clarify that. This Queen of Cups is maybe having a vision for the future. They are, heart of hearts, I think, even though pretending to hold back, they are holding on to this connection for dear life. All they want is a choice to be made. I feel this Queen of Swords actually is looking for a commitment, because whoever this King of Cups is actually does make them very, very happy. All they want is that this King of Cups should put in some work, show them that they are important, show them that they are loved. Right now, the Empress is in reverse. Why is the Empress in reverse, Spirit? Because they are stuck. They are stuck not figuring out. They want to know the truth. They are stuck waiting for the truth. Am I important to you or not? Tell me, should we move ahead? Do we have any growth in this connection or not? Right? This King of Wands, even though very passionate, very attractive, very good looking, sometimes the King of Wands is a bit of an attention seeker. They like, they like to flirt around maybe, but nothing serious, but they enjoy the attention because they are successful. They travel a lot maybe, or they meet a lot of people. So this Empress is not feeling validated in the connection, from what I feel. King of Wands, you want to say something to us? You want to say something to us here? King of Wands, my God, is clarified by the King of Wands. Well, this is some unconfident dude, I must say. Okay, but I need you to say something, King of Wands. I'm acknowledging you are the King of Wands. Say something to us. Well, the King of Wands says, guess what? Not only do I have a lot of passion for my person, Omkara Tarot, I have a lot of love for them. Okay, I do want to work things out with them. I am going to take action. Look at me. I'm on my way to take action and show them that I love them a lot. So, Three of Pentacles, Spirit. What's this Three of Pentacles then? Yes, they're coming back. Empress, don't worry. This person is coming back to work things out with you. What's this Seven of Pentacles, Spirit? Seven of Pentacles. Yes, now they want to invest. They want to have equal give and take, and they want to commit. Look at this. They are seeing, they are feeling disappointed that things have probably, or their empress is upset with them or whatever. I think this person is seriously thinking about investing. They do want to have this partnership big time. Let's have an equal give and take, because I see you as my future. Whether it's going to be labeled or not, or whether there's marriage or not, I'm not sure. But somebody is very keen that, this partnership is important. So they do want to come back, Empress, whoever this Empress is, they do want to come back and work on this with you. Okay? This person is very, very, very charged up, not only with their passion, but also with their love. There is a lot of love here. So I think it's going to be a time of no longer having sleepless nights and stress and tension, right? Maybe somebody's been a little depressed for some time, but all that can be dropped now, okay? So maybe that's what somebody's been wishing and hoping for. So very soon, of course, time is fluid. Maybe you'll get them coming back maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. But the truth of the matter is that the choice this Empress wanted them to make, well, they are the choice. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.